good morning to everyone. Today we are discussing the problems in jury stability criterion. So in the last sections, we are also discussing the problems in jury stability criterion. So today is given to the two characteristic equations. So the two discrete time systems. So in these two characteristic equations to find the jury stability criterion. Okay, so first, the given characteristic equation is z power 3 plus 3.3 z square plus 4z plus 0.8 equal to 0. So this is compared with a naught z power n. This is compared with a naught z power n plus a1 z square plus a3 z plus a4 equal to 0. Okay, so a naught, so z power 3 coefficient a naught, what is the a naught value? It's 1. So the a naught equal to 1, a1 equal to 3.3, a2 equal to 4, a3 equal to 0.8. Since this is a third order system, okay, so find the four conditions. So these four conditions is used to find the jury stability criterion. What is jury stability criterion? Four conditions. So the first condition is the lowest value ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో, ఏది లోయెస్ట్ వాల్యూ? A3. సో ఏ కోఫిషియంట్ అయితే లాస్ట్ కోఫిషియంట్ ఉంటుందో ఆ లాస్ట్ కోఫిషియంట్ modulus of A3 is less than A naught. Modulus of A3 is less than A naught. And the second condition is P of 1 is greater than 0. P of 1 is greater than 0. And the third condition is P of minus 1 is less than 0. N is odd number. N equal to 3, it's odd number. A3 is less than A naught. P of 1 is greater than 0. P of minus 1 is less than 0. N is odd number. P of minus 1 is less than 0. And N equal to even number. What is N equal to even number? So N equal to 2, 4, 0. ఇలా even numbers ఉన్నాయనుకోండి. So P of minus 1 is greater than 0. P of minus 1 is greater than 0. And the fourth condition is modulus of B2 is greater than modulus of B naught. Modulus of B2 is greater than B naught. Okay, so in these four conditions will be satisfied. So the given system is stable system. But any one condition is not satisfied, the given system is unstable system. Okay, so first check the first condition. The first condition is modulus of A3 is less than A naught. What is A3? A3 value is 0.8, A naught is 1. So 0.8 is less than 1. The condition is satisfied. So the first condition will be satisfied. And what is the second condition? Second condition is P of 1 is greater than 0. So in the given characteristic equation, Z is replaced 1. Okay, so Z is replaced 1. So P of 1, so 1 cube plus 3.3 into 1 square plus 4 into 1 plus 0.8. What is the value? 9.1. P of 1 is 9.1. It's greater than 0. P of 1 is greater than 0. So the second condition is also satisfied. The second condition is also satisfied. Next, further go to the third condition. What is third condition? P of minus 1 is less than 0. So n is odd number. So P of minus 1 is less than 0. So P of z, z is replaced minus 1 whole cube plus 3.3 into minus 1 whole square, 4 into minus 1 plus 0.8. So the value of P of minus 1 is less than 0. So minus 0.9 is less than 0. So its the P of minus 1 is minus 0.9. The third condition is also satisfied. So further go to the fourth condition. What is the fourth condition? So the fourth condition is B2 is greater than B naught. ఏమా సో ఇది ఎలా తీసుకుంటారంటే మీరు సో ఇట్స్ వెరీ వెరీ సింపుల్ ఇన్ ద వాట్ ఈస్ ద లోయెస్ట్ ఏ నాట్ సో యు ఆర్ టేకింగ్ బి నాట్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద హైయెస్ట్ కోఫియంట్ ఏ3 కంటే బిలో ఏముంది ఏ2 సో యు ఆర్ టేక్ బి2 ఈస్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ బి నాట్ దట్స్ ద ప్రొసీజర్ B2 is greater than B naught. So the B2 is greater than B naught. So the B2 is in the highest coefficient in the characteristic equation A3, lowest coefficient in the characteristic equation A naught. A3, A naught. Lowest, highest. A3, A naught, A naught, A3. ఇంకా రిమైనింగ్ ఏమున్నాయి A2, A1. సో బి నాట్ హైయెస్ట్ కోఫిషియంట్ A3, లోయెస్ట్ A naught, A2 and A1. Okay, so this is the construction of the B2 and B naught. So the B2 is A3 value is 0.8, A naught is 1, A naught is 1, A3 is 0.8. So in the determinant of B2 is minus 0.36 and the B2 value is 0.36 and B naught is calculating 1.36. So B2 is less than B naught. So the fourth condition is also satisfied. So B2 is less than B naught. The fourth condition is not satisfied. So enduku B2 value is 0.36 and the B naught value is 1.36. So B naught is highest, B2 is greater than B naught. Okay, so this is the condition. So B2 is greater than B naught కావాలి కదా మనకు fourth condition. సో ఇక్కడ ఏమొచ్చింది B2 is less than B naught. So the fourth condition is not satisfied. B2 is less than B naught. Therefore, the fourth condition is not satisfied. So the given system is unstable system. So the given system is unstable system. Next, further go to the second characteristic equation. Z cube minus 1.1 Z square minus 0.1 Z plus 0.2 equal to 0. So the given characteristic equation is P of Z is equal to Z cube minus 1.1 Z square minus 0.1 Z plus 0.2 equal to 0. Okay, so first this is A naught, A1, A2, A3, A naught, A1, A2, A3. A naught coefficient is 1, A1 is minus 1.1, A2 is minus 0.1, A3 is 0.2. So the coefficients of the characteristic equation, so all the coefficients of the characteristic equation So A naught is 1, A1 is minus 1.1, A2 is minus 0.1, A3 equal to 0.2. So the four conditions, same four conditions, A3 is less than A naught, P of 1 is greater than 0, P of minus 1 is less than 0, B2 is greater than B naught. So first, check the first condition. What is first condition? A3 is less than A naught. What is A3 value? 0 0.1, 0 0.2. What is A naught value? It's 1. 0 0.2 is less than 1. The first condition will be satisfied. ఎందుకు 1 కంటే 0.2 తక్కువే కదమ్మా. So the first condition 0.2 is less than 1. And the second condition is P of 1 is greater than 0. So P of 1, so P of Z in the characteristic equation, Z is replaced with 1. So P of 1 equal to 0. There is at least one root at Z is equal to 1. So second condition is not satisfied. Sir, next further go to the third condition. P of minus 1 is less than 0 for n equal to odd number. So highest power entundi manaki Z power 3. So 3 is odd number. So in the P of minus 1 is less than 0. So the fourth condition is satisfied. Third condition is satisfied. Next further go to the fourth condition. So B2 is greater than B naught. What is B2 value? Minus 0.96. What is B naught value? 0.12. So the fourth condition is also satisfied. So okay. So the in the 0 in the second step, second condition. So the two roots lies within the unit circle and one root on the unit circle. Okay, therefore the given system is critically stable system. Okay, so this is the second method. Next, this is also same. In the given characteristic equation, Z cube plus 5Z square minus Z plus 5K equal to 0. Find whether the range of K for which the characteristic equation is closed loop stable. Okay, so మనకి ఇచ్చిన characteristic equation లో find whether the range of K calculate చేయాలి. So the same four condition. First condition A3 is less than A naught. So the K value is less than 1.5. Second, K is greater than minus 1. Third condition, K is less than minus 1. And the fourth condition is find the roots 1.074 and minus 0.074. Okay, so in the less value ఏదైతే ఉందో ఆ less value ఏదైతే హైయెస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఉందో దాని మధ్యలో రూట్ లోకి వస్తుందని చెప్పాలి. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద లోయెస్ట్ వాల్యూ? minus 0.074 is less than K, less than 1.1/5. Okay, so next problem. This is very, very important problem. Consider the system described by y of K plus 2 equal to 2 into y of K plus 1 minus 5yk plus 10r into K plus 2 minus 3r into K plus 1 plus 4 into rk, where r of K is the input, R of K is the input and Y of K is the output of the system. Determine the stability of the system. Determine the stability of the system. Okay, first మనకి ఒక సిస్టమ్ ఇచ్చాడు. y of k plus 2 equal to 2 into y of k plus 1 minus 5 y of k plus 10 into r of k plus 2 minus 3 into r of k plus 1 plus 4 into r of k. R of k input signal, y of k is the output of the system. Determine the stability of the system. Okay, so first calculating the given system in the transfer function or characteristic equation. సో మనకి ఇచ్చిన సిస్టమ్ ని మనం ఒక క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ లోకి మనం నోట్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్ k1 y of k plus 2 apply the z transform. So the z transform of y of k plus 2 is z square into y of z. Y of k plus 1 z transform is z power 1 into y of z. Okay, so in the z terms anni sends to the left side, r terms anni sends to the right side. Okay, so y of z is common. Y of z into z square minus 2z plus 5. So the transfer function is y of z by r of z is equal to 10z square minus 3z plus 4 by z square minus 2z plus 5. So equation 3, the characteristic equation of the system is given as. So in the denominator, polynomial is the characteristic equation. So p of z is z square minus 2z plus 5. So z square, coefficient a naught. What is a naught value? 1. A1 is minus 2. A2 is 5. So a naught is 1. A1 is minus 2. A2 is 5. Since this is the second order system, the jury stability criterion, so the three conditions in the order of the system is 2. So first condition, A2 is less than A0, P of 1 is greater than 0, P of minus 1 is greater than 0, and the calculation of B1 is greater than B0. Okay, so the first condition is satisfied. Second condition is not is also satisfied. Third condition is not satisfied. So the given system is unstable system. Okay na? Next, same in the system equation, y of k minus 0.6, y of k minus 1 minus 0.8, y of k minus 2, k minus 3, k minus 4 is equal to x of k. X of k is input signal, y of k is the output signal. Determine the stability of the system. First, apply the z transform. Okay, so z transform of y of k is y of z. Y of k minus 1, z power minus 1 y of z. Y of k minus 2, z power minus 2 y of z. Y of k minus 3, z power minus 3 y of z. Y of k minus 4, z power minus 4 y of z is equal to x of z. So y of z is common in the equation. 1 minus 0.6 z power minus 1 minus 0.81 z power minus 2 plus 0.67 z power minus 3 minus 0.12 z power minus 4. Okay, so y of z by x of z is the pulse transfer function of the system. So మనకి ఇలా z power minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 ఇలా ఈక్వేషన్ ఉన్నప్పుడు హైయెస్ట్ పవర్ ఎంత ఉందో చూసుకోవాలి. What is highest power? Z power minus 4. So minus 4 gadamma. So you are taking from the numerator Z power 4. Okay. So Z power 4 toti divide cheyali. Clear? So Z power 4 by ఇక్కడ Z power 4 multiply చేస్తున్నా in the numerator denominator. Z power 4 minus 0.6 Z power 3. So 4 minus 1 ఎంత 3. 4 minus 2 ఎంత 2. 4 minus 3 ఎంత 1. Minus 0.12 Z. Z power minus 4 plus 4 is Z power 0. So in the denominator polynomial equation, characteristic equation, what is the characteristic equation? Z power 4 minus 0.6 Z power 3 minus 0.81 Z square plus 0.67 Z minus 0.12. On comparing equation 2, so in the given characteristic equation, a0 Z power n plus a1 Z power n minus 1 plus a2 Z power n minus 2 plus a3 Z power n minus 3 plus a4 Z power n minus 4. So in the a0 value is 1, a1 minus 0.6, a2 minus 0.81, a3 is 0.67, a4 is minus 0.12. Okay, so it satisfies the 4 conditions. First condition, what is the first condition? Modulus of a4 is less than a0. Okay, so a0 a4 in the 0.12 is less than 1. So the first condition is satisfied. Next, second condition, P of 1 is greater than 0. So P of Z, Z is substitute 1. So Z place lo 1 substitute. So P of 1 is 0.14 is greater than 0. The second condition is also satisfied. Okay. And the third condition, P of minus 1 is greater than 0 for n is even. P of minus 1 is less than 0 for n is odd. So P of minus 1 is greater than 0. The condition is not satisfied. Equation 4 implies that there exists a root at Z is equal to minus 1. ఎంత వచ్చింది మా value P of minus 1 is the value is 0. So value 0 వస్తే ఏంటి? The condition is not satisfied. That there exists a root at Z is equal to minus 1. And the fourth condition is B3 is greater than B0. So B3 in the highest coefficient A4, lowest coefficient A0. A0, A4. A4, A0, A0, A4. So take all the 4 values, calculating the B3. B0 is A4, A0, A3, A1. So calculating the B0 value. What is the value? B3 is greater than B0. The condition is satisfied and the root lies in the unit circle with the center at the origin of the jet plane. And in the 4 conditions, so in the A0 jet power 4, so in the order of the system is 4, you are calculating the fifth condition is also. So C2 is greater than C0, calculating the C2 value, C0 value. Okay, so the C2 value is, so B3, B0, B0, B3. And the C0 is B3, B0, B2, B1. So calculate all the values. The condition is satisfied that the root lies in the unit circle with center at the origin of the jet plane. Therefore, the system is critically stable system. Okay. So this is the process of to find the jury stability criterion. Okay. So further next, go to